If you want stronger pelvic muscles, better stability, better posture, and a body that feels balanced from the inside out, then today's video is exactly what you need. Because I'm about to share the best exercise routine for overall pelvic strength. A routine that doesn't need weights, doesn't need machines, and still delivers powerful internal strength you can literally feel in your lower body, hips, and core. Before we start, let me tell you something important. Most people only train the muscles they can see: abs, arms, chest, legs. But the muscles that actually control your power, your posture, your balance, and even your confidence are hidden deep inside your pelvis. Weak pelvic muscles don't just affect your workouts. They affect your daily life. You feel stiffness, lower back discomfort, weak hips, and even struggle with simple movements like standing up fast, lifting something heavy, or maintaining stability. But the good news? You don't need complicated exercises to fix this, you just need the right exercises. And today, we're doing exactly that. Let's jump straight into the routine. 1. Bodyweight child pose. This stretch lengthens your hips, relaxes pelvic tension, and activates deep stabilizing muscles. It reduces stiffness, improves mobility, and prepares your pelvis for stronger movements. Perfect warm-up for pelvic power. Before we go to the next exercise, remember, strong pelvic muscles aren't just about fitness. They make your body feel lighter, more flexible, more stable, and more confident in every movement you do. So stay with me. 2. Lying scissors cross. This move targets your lower abs, hip flexors, and pelvic floor together. The crossing motion forces deep muscles to stabilize your pelvis, building strength, control, and clean lower body alignment. Now here's the interesting part. The pelvis is like the center point of your entire body. If it's weak, everything else struggles. But if it's strong, everything starts improving. Your balance, your form, your posture, even your athletic performance. That's why the next move is powerful. 3. Plank to pike move. This dynamic transition fires your core, lifts your pelvis, and strengthens stability muscles. The pike motion activates pelvic support while also improving flexibility and deep core tension. By this point, you're not just training muscles, you're building a foundation. You're training the muscles that protect your spine, shape your posture, and keep your hips powerful as you age. Let's keep going. Push-ups in child pose. A hybrid movement combining upper body strength with pelvic control. Staying low engages inner thighs and pelvic stabilizers, while push-ups increase pressure that strengthens deep pelvic support. These moves might look simple, but simple is powerful when you do it right. And pelvic muscles respond best to controlled, mindful movements like these. Let's finish strong. 5. Alternative toe. Tap leg lift. This controlled motion challenges your lower abs and pelvic floor to stabilize as each leg moves. It improves balance, strengthens inner core layers, and enhances pelvic endurance. You've just unlocked one of the most underrated workouts in fitness. A routine that strengthens the muscles most people forget, yet rely on every single day. When your pelvic muscles get stronger, you don't just feel it. You function better, you move better, you age better, and your body becomes more connected, powerful, and stable. If you want more routines like this that actually fix the root of your weakness, not just the surface, then make sure you subscribe right now. Thanks for watching. Stay strong, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next one.